Wouldn't it be wild if they added a type that normal was super effective against? Alright, Pokemon time. Ah! Oh no, not again. Alright, moving the mic closer. Let's go. Hey. Alright. Alright, sorry.
Yes. That was a shadow trying just now. Get seasoned with Sith having Team Plasma. Apparently, they were the ones who revered the Calvary-limits at the cave entrance. Chargestone Cave. I like this place.
Give me Pokemon! Finally! Ooh, it's Ledian. Hello, I like you, Ledian, but you're kind of not good. Stay in the ball, mister. Great. Dive ball time. Let's go. Ball! Embrace your inner ball guy, Ledian. Ball guy. Ball. No. Put him under the thing. Make him go to sleep even though. What? You can wake up from Spore first turn? Pokeball, go. Maybe you just want the Pokeball too, because you're red as well. And you're like, I'm not gonna judge. You can just stay in the ball, man. It's cool. Shut up! Stop using gravity! Thank you. Paloif. Her name's Paloif. Egg! 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 What did the guy say to the other guy? Rest in dead. Ball! Gooey mulch! Gross! Make bees communists. There are stairs going down ahead. Tease Plasma is waiting for you there. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate that you trust me enough to, you know, accept that I'll go down there without any questions, or running away, or like leading the police down here. Optional route. Ball. Ball. Where's Ball? Are you Ball? Wait, what? He evolves at level 32? What? I thought he was 34! Alright, Napoleon's evolving again. What? Napoleon won't stop evolving. Communism won't stop evolving. You cannot stop the specter of communism. It will rise again. Like a phoenix from the ashes. Is that an... Oh, Flygon. Alright. I'll take it. Hello, Flygon. Napoleon is Flygon now. Alright, I'll take it. It's never a good sign when my Pokemon learn when a bunch of good stuff happens to my Pokemon, because that means they're gonna die in the next 3 seconds. Don't die, Napoleon. I've already lost enough. Lesson of the day: punch women. Why is Lucario not a psychic type? Why is he not psychic fighting? Or is just psychic energy but with more steps? Weightlifter Joe! Team Weight Re-Rackers! Wait, no. Headcanon, they're called the Weightlifters, so the reason that they're evil and they're the villains is because they don't re-rack their weights. Hey, it's Kaiju Jr. It's Kai Jr. And I think it'll be a long, long time till I punch gingers and then they eat slime and then I'll die all alone. Sudowoodo, look at him groove. Let him groove. Let him go. Look at him go. He move. He groove. And he be smooth. And he be dead. Avatar's on Netflix, watch it. Watch it if you haven't seen Avatar, but I find that unlikely cause everyone's seen Avatar. Avatar is everyone's favorite show. And if it isn't yours, you're lying. Leaves from the vine, falling so slow.
I kill him.
Birds! Birds!
Still out of swallow drinking that milk. Birds don't have lips.
They don't have lips, man. Why don't birds have lips? Look awesome. Like, it's just like they're birds but with lips. And they can drink milk and stuff. It's a pretty cool idea. I'm gonna have to bring it up with God in his next patch. He might actually add it if I suggest it well enough. I wanna see God's patch notes. Oh my gosh, I found weed. Can you guys believe it? This is so funny. Seth Rogen, be proud. Weightlifter Scott! No! She's joined their side! Scott, how could you? Hey Scott, your old pal Cushiony Max here. Why? So I played Celeste. It is good. I liked it. It was pretty good. I do have like a couple complaints, but they're pretty minor. I don't like how synth is featured so prominently, because it gets, in a game where you're supposed to die over and over again, it gets kind of grating. But I mean, I didn't notice it for too long. There was like one part that was annoying with the loop, and it was in the temple level when Madeline is like, when there's like the evil, whoa, everything's red and weird now thing. That was annoying. But, oh, shut up, dirt. Oh, hey, Corsola. But the music itself, other than like being slightly annoying part of the synth, it's really good. I liked it. I almost cried in the final level just from the music alone. When and it was only on the second segment. That was good. I liked that. The story was good. I liked that. That was a good part of it. I like stories. I don't like the second half of Chapter 6, because it felt like a Sonic level. I didn't know where I was going, and it constantly felt like I was going nowhere, and yet missing everything. But other than those two minor complaints, honestly, stellar game. Buy it, pick it up, put it in your Nintendo Switch, or on your Steam account, and then play it, and then have a good day. It's a good game for good boys and girls, and even for some not so good boys and girls. We don't discriminate here in Cells to Town. Celeste was a very good main character. I liked her plot about wanting to climb Mount Madeline. Relic Gold. I can't sell this until like the last town. Or is it this town? I don't remember when I can sell it. It's somewhere in the Unova region. Okay. I might die here. Wake up, Slap. Ow! That would have been really effective if I were not psychic type and also asleep. Alright, we're almost there, guys. Just gonna go all the way back through the cave. We're almost there. We're almost there. Please, just let it be over. Let me go. No, there's more. No, no. Yeah, look at you have dreaming around. Battle. It's time to kill What's my name? Minchino. It's a whole new game. Minchino. Why? Something. Say hello to my chocolate blend. Something. I know it was you. Woo! We did it! Yeah! My friend's getting hurt, but I don't care.
Just why? If I'm possible, I'm feeling better at being a trainer. As you fight for self-strength, something with me with this battle. As if it would make me worthy to come legendary Pokemon.
Hang on, LOFA! It's a little further to Mistreltion City. Mistrelton City. Mistreltion. I don't. That city. Bianchi, you have good ears. Can't believe you heard LOFA's voice all the way far away. I was screaming a lot, but, you know. It's.
Professor Junior, what are you thinking? You can have no cause for the legends of fueling Pokemon. If a Pokemon categories are ultra wealthy, you think you can understand them like that? The idea of the Pokedex revolts me. What do you have to say for yourself?
Shut up. How about that? Your opinion is understandable, and it happens to be different from mine, which is equally understandable. How about if all people get to decide for... How about if all people get to decide for them Pokemon how to relate to Pokemon people? Saying that I should just do... Now then, I think I'll go collect a little bit more data from Pokemon, blah blah blah. Yeah, shut up. I'm over! Professor, everybody... What? Okay. You suck too much to be a bodyguard. I'm sorry, Scott, but, like, you just do. Oh, finally out of the cave! Can't think of a better way to end this episode. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Shut up!